In 2026, Slovakia, a country better known for its mountains and history, takes a bold leap forward, not to conquer, but to defend its future with pride. Introducing the F-16 Block 70 Fighting Falcon, Slovakia's most advanced fighter jet yet, bridging its past reliance on legacy MiG-29s with a 21st-century leap into NATO-grade air power. It's not just an upgrade. It's a transformation of Slovakia's military identity. At first glance, the exterior of this jet looks familiar, but don't let the classic shape fool you. The F-16 Block 70 wears a new suit, an advanced radar-absorbing matte gray skin, complemented by sharper contours, updated wing surfaces, and advanced hardpoints for extended mission loadouts. Its silhouette is iconic, but its technology is next-gen, a bird of prey sharpened for the future. Inside, the interior is a revelation for Slovak pilots. The single-seat cockpit is fully digitized with a large area display that replaces old-school dials with a touchscreen interface. Everything from radar to targeting to threat analysis appears in an intuitive layout. The helmet-mounted display gives the pilot total situational awareness. Wherever the head turns, the system follows, projecting key combat info directly onto the visor. No more looking down, the battle moves with your vision. When it comes to performance, the F-16 Block 70 is a beast. With a top speed over Mach 2 and a combat radius of more than 500 nautical miles, it can reach anywhere in Central Europe within minutes. Its AESA radar, the APG-83, gives it a powerful eye that can detect and track multiple targets at once in air or on land. Its new engine and flight controls make it more fuel-efficient, more agile, and more survivable than ever before. Slovakia's F-16 isn't just for dogfights. It's a true multi-role platform. Air policing, interception, precision ground strikes, and electronic warfare, this aircraft handles it all and can integrate directly into NATO air defense systems. Now let's talk about safety features. The Block 70 is equipped with a state-of-the-art flight control system that reduces pilot workload in high-G turns or complex missions. Advanced threat detection systems alert the pilot of incoming missiles and automatically deploy flares or chaff. The seat is zero-zero ejection capable, and its onboard diagnostics help ground crews monitor the aircraft's health in real time. For Slovakia, this jet is more than a machine, it's a statement. It represents national resilience, technological pride, and a powerful step towards sovereign air defense. And here's the beauty of it all. In a world full of overpowered giants, Slovakia's fighter isn't meant to rule the skies. It's designed to protect them. Thank you for joining us on this journey into Slovakia's skies. If this flight inspired you, don't just watch. Become a part of our mission. Direct hit like, follow, and subscribe to AirJet's Update, where stories fly, not just stats.